Hello and welcome back to Mr. Adelman's fantastic math class. This is the last example for similar polygons. It's one of the most useful. We're going to enlarge a figure. So this could be used for engineers for blueprints, going from the blueprint to an actual size. So we're going to use two triangles in this situation. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. And it has a scale factor of 3/4. That's going to become important. Okay. The lengths of the sides of triangle ABC, they tell us, are 6, 9, and 12 feet long. And they want to know what the lengths of the sides of DEF are. So we're going from ABC to DEF. And so we're going to set a proportion where we have triangle ABC over triangle DEF. And so this proportion is going to be equal to each side, so ABC over DE and BC over EF, and then finally AC over DF. And what's going to end up happening is this is all going to equal our scale factor of 3/4. So let's start with AB over DE. So and it actually doesn't matter, so let's just say it doesn't tell us, so we're just going to say that 6 is the measure of AB. And we don't know what the measure of DE is, so let's just give that a variable. Let's call that x. But I do know that is going to equal my scale factor of 3/4. So I'm going to cross multiply. 3 times x is going to equal 6 times 4, which is 24. And then I'll divide both sides by 3. So my first side is going to be 8. Next, I'm going to deal with BC and EF. And again, I don't know the value of BC, but I'm just going to assign it as 9. So it's going to be 9 over, and I don't know, they didn't give us a variable, so I'm going to assign a y, because I've already used x. And again, it's going to equal our same scale factor of 3/4. So I'm going to cross multiply, so I get 3y equals 9 times 4, which is 36. I'll divide both sides by 3. And so my second side, we can see, is 12. And the last one we're going to do is we're going to compare AC to DF. And so we'll use our last measure that they give us, which is 12. So it's going to be 12 over, some variable which we're just going to make up. We'll call it z, because I've already used x and y. And again, our same scale factor of 3/4. So I'm going to multiply 3 times z, and that's going to equal 12 times 4, which is 48. And divide both sides by 3. And so z is going to equal, 3 goes into once. What is that? Sorry. Having a little brain meltdown here. 18, sorry. So it's 6. Wasn't very smart for a second there. So the sides of triangle DEF end up being 8, 12, and 16. So that would be your answer. So that's all we have for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me either in person or on my blog. Thank you very much. Have a great day.